Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to
Math number 1171.
1171. So I saw this very cool problem this week, and I thought it was one of two that were going to make great projects. So it's a nice little introductory probability problem, or also an expected value problem. So we're going to play a game where you roll a six-sided die up to 3 times. After each turn, I guess we would have been smart to bring a die ahead of time, but we can just pretend. After each turn, you stop the game and I'll pay you 100 times whatever the die is showing. So you can stop whenever you want, except after the third turn you get what's on the dice if you haven't stopped. Okay, so if you could roll a 2 in the first round, choose to continue, roll a 3, choose to continue and roll a 5 and get 500, or you could roll a 6 in the first round and get 600.
Alright.
What strategy maximizes the outcome? So I've asked you actually to think about this problem a little bit.
Okay.
And you have had a few ideas. So why don't you talk about sort of what you've thought about?
So
Sorry.
there was one of the strategies was just you roll the die, the first one, and if it's a 6, you keep it, and if not, you keep going.
Okay.
So if you roll a 6 the first time, you stop. If you don't, you keep going. And then the second time, if you roll 6, you stop there. If you don't, you keep going. And then if you keep going, you just take whatever the third roll was, because you don't really have a choice then.
Okay. So one possibility is we could stop with a 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then another strategy would be stopping with maybe a 5 and a 6. If you get a 5 or a 6, you stop. And you're still getting high values if you stop, and it's a more likely chance that you'll stop.
Okay.
I guess. If that makes sense. I guess another strategy from there would just be if you get 4, 5, or 6 from there. If you keep rolling, like if you get to your third roll, at least there's a half chance that you'll have stopped on the previous 2 rolls, like with each of the previous 2 rolls.
Okay, interesting. Well, let's take a look at one of these. I mean, maybe stopping with a 6 is the easiest one to look at first.
Yeah, I would think so.
And we'll see if we can actually calculate kind of what we expect to get here. And then we'll see if we can find a way after doing that calculation where maybe we could improve.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do that in the next video.